What's up guys? My name is John Edelkamp and welcome to my first piano tutorial. Now I have not gotten requested to teach anything piano related, so I thought I'd just start off the series with something. And I thought I'd start off the series with Warner Home Video because I find that a lot of people would think that Warner Home Video is a very impressive movie studio to play on the piano, considering how fast it is. But I'm going to give you a preview of what you're going to be playing. First I'm going to turn up the volume. There we go. Alright, here we go. Just like that. I will leave a link in the description to the video I learned how to play this from. But other than that, I'm just going to teach you how to play it. So this is the type of music where you're going to cross your hands all the way down the piano. So we are going to go to middle C for reference, go up an octave, and go up to A flat. That's the first note. That's the first note you're gonna play. I'm sorry, I can't speak. But yeah, your right hand is gonna be playing A flat, C, B flat, F, and your left hand is gonna play D flat, F, E flat, C, and then your right hand is gonna drop down an octave and play the same thing, and your left hand is gonna do the same thing, and so on and so forth. So yeah, you're going to start up here. Sorry. And just speed up as you go. And then once you're done doing you play this A flat major arpeggio. So your left hand is going to play A flat, C, B flat, A flat, and your right hand is going to play C, B flat, A flat, like this. Sorry. So yeah, this is what you're doing here. Sorry. Yeah, that's what you're playing. But yeah, if you wanted to, I don't usually do it because I'm not really that advanced at playing piano. But like, plus my keyboard doesn't have pedals. But if your piano has pedals, you can play it more advanced. You can just do the arpeggio, and then move your left hand up to C, E flat to A flat, like this. You can tell that I can't do it. Like I said, I'm not that advanced. I'm not that advanced of a piano player. The video I learned it from is way much better at doing the. It's better at doing that than. Yeah, the guy explaining in that video is way better at doing it than I am. But it's just easier to just do the arpeggio like that, and just not cross your hand like that. I mean, you can play it like that, but the way I play it is more easier. So yeah, that is how to play the Warner Home Video theme. If you guys have any suggestions on what you want me to teach you how to play next, comment down below. I will be more than happy to teach you how to play something. But for now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button And definitely subscribe for more videos and hit the notification bell so you get all the notifications. And I'll see you in the next video. Later, boys.